Dr. Rodman coming to you from my kitchen for our new home remedy series where we take some of the best home remedies that we know and share them with you. Today we're actually sharing one that was given to us by a patient. He was watching our videos in the waiting room and said he had a great idea. I said, I really like that idea. And what he said that he did at home was he took a towel just like this and he wet it. Just like that, I suppose. This is my first time trying this, but he was trying to make an at-home ice pack for his neck, for his headaches. And he said it worked really well. So I'm gonna really get this nice and wet here and go ahead and put it on top of this and put it in the freezer. And it really supposedly will mold to your neck. So let's put this in the freezer and we'll get it real icy and we'll check it out in a little bit. Hey guys, Dr. Rodman, and I'm back. And yes, I have a stain on my shirt because I just got back from dinner. And that's what happens when you wear white shirts. But I feel like I'm in a cooking show. And if you guys want to see what is coming out of this freezer, let's check it out. So, pulling out, this is the only thing I've cooked all year. So we've got this frozen log of towel, which came out pretty good. So one thing I can say is it seems pretty hard where an ice pack might be a better choice, but this is really icy and soft, and I'll take you over to my couch where I'll proceed to lay on it. And you know, you may want to put down another towel underneath it just in case it starts to melt. But it does really, I do like that it fits that curve in the neck really well. It does feel kind of nice. So, for the first home remedy series, the ice towel, I believe is a success. So if you don't have an ice pack at home, or you're looking for something that kind of fills the gap between the curve and wherever you're laying on a little bit better than an ice pack, I definitely think the towel is a way to go. And this is probably really good for neck pain and headaches. And I'm gonna just go ahead and take a nap right now.
Except you have to walk the dog.
Oh yeah.